Tommy, you want to talk a little tool storage?
Yeah, I mean, you know, you always have a tool bench or something where you throw all your tools and you're trying to find it, you don't know where it is, or maybe you don't want to keep them on a bench, you throw them in a drawer, but you don't know what drawer you put them in. So, you know, you can always hang a pegboard on a wall. So if you have your workspace, you can hang it like this. We've got it organized pretty good.
All right, and what did you bring us? What's this material here?
This is 1/4-inch masonite.
All right.
It has 1/4-inch holes. You can also buy it with a smaller hole, 1/8-inch hole. And this is painted. You can get it unpainted if you don't want it white.
Beautiful.
Okay? Now, if you have an open stud bay like this, you'd simply take the pegboard up, put it on the studs, and put a couple of screws in it.
Line this up for you here.
Okay, get it right here first.
Got it.
That.
Good over here.
Now the nice thing about an open stud bay, it gives you the space that you need to mount the hook onto the pegboard.
In other words, the space that you need behind the holes, because...
Right. So this goes in, and if you had a solid wall there, you're not going to get it in.
Because it's sticking out on the other side.
So you have to stand the pegboard off the wall. So if you had a workshop, for example, and it was wood on the wall or plaster or whatever, drywall, you want to make sure that you stand it off with scrap wood. I just take scrap 2x4s, 2x6, whatever they are, and I rip down 3/4 inches out of it, and I mount them to the surface of the wall. That gives me the space that I need behind the pegboard.
Perfect.
To get the hook in. But you want to make sure that you mount them where there's structure behind it. Okay?
That'll give you a little bit of the gap behind so you can put the pegs in.
Right.
All right, want to do some organization?
Yeah, we'll organize some, got different hooks here. We'll put them on the wall, see what we have. Let's put some chisels up there like that.
Put this guy in for screwdrivers. Got a couple wrenches, and maybe use the holes on the handles.
Yeah, we can use some singles for that. Now the trick with those singles, they're so light that when you pull the wrench off, they may come right off the wall. So they actually make these little locks right here that go on. And you just put one in the hole beside it. You line up the hook into that and push it into the hole, and that locks it in nice and tight. Now when you take the wrench off, it doesn't move around.
I've got some bins here, Tommy. I'll put those in.
It's good for like loose hardware and stuff, nuts and bolts. I've got some eye hooks right here. Perfect.
Got a couple jars here too, Tommy.
Screw them in place. Now you can see them. No problem.
Blades down here.
Like that. Finished up, huh?
Oh, satisfying, right? Makes you feel organized.
It feels organized. That pile of tools was on our workbench. It's now organized on the wall.
Nice job, Tommy. Thank you.
Thanks for the help.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.